In this video, we're going to be talking about how to redeem a gift card or coupon code in the Live Nation application. So let's just get straight into the video. So in order to go ahead and do so, first things first, simply go ahead and find the ticket that you want to purchase. Click on Buy Tickets. And once you've clicked on Buy Tickets, it's going to take you to a checkout page once you select a ticket. And once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on Submit right over here, and it will go ahead and search for the tickets and proceed with it. And on the checkout page right over here, when you enter your email and your password, there's also going to be a add credit / promo code / gift card section. For gift cards, enter your gift card number and the PIN. For promo code, enter the code in the designated box and click on apply to see the balance or discount updated on your order. So I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll